How to use Google Docs with Google Drive. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Drive at drive.google.com and sign into your account. Once you are in Google Drive, click the new button on the left side and select Google Docs to create a new document. Your new Google Docs file will automatically save in Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. You can organize your documents by creating folders in Google Drive. Simply click New, then Folder, name it, and drag your Docs file into it. To open an existing Google Docs file, just find it in your Drive and double-click to open. Google Drive also makes it easy to share your documents. Right-click on a Docs file, select Share, and add email address or get a shareable link with specific permissions like viewer, commenter, or editor. All changes you make in Google Docs are saved instantly to Google Drive, allowing you to access your files from any device connected to your account. This integration between Google Docs and Google Drive helps you keep your documents safe, organized, and accessible anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Docs with Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.